Welcome. Today, we're diving into a personal journey of switching from Claude Code to Warp 2 cutting-edge AI-powered terminal tools. As developers, our command line is more than just a workspace. It's where ideas turn into reality. Claude Code was among the first to blend agentic workflows with terminal environments, reimagining the command line as a smart AI-driven space. But technology never stands still. Enter Warp, a tool that not only matches but surpasses expectations with its IDE-level features and intuitive design. In this video, I'll walk you through my hands-on experience, comparing both tools across usability, features, and real-world coding tasks. Let's get started and see what makes Warp stand out. Claude Code made waves as one of the first AI tools to bring agentic workflows into terminal-like environments. It helped developers rethink how they interact with the command line, offering a space where AI could assist with coding, debugging, and more. However, as more tools entered the market, the landscape began to shift. While Claude Code set a high bar for AI integration, it also had its limitations, especially for those who wanted a more flexible and user-friendly experience. This set the stage for new contenders like Warp to push the boundaries even further. Warp arrived with a fresh perspective, blending the familiarity of a terminal with the power of an integrated development environment. It offers features like auto-completion, code diffing, and intelligent agents, making it feel like an IDE within your terminal. Warp leads the field in benchmark performance, scoring impressively on both Terminal Bench and SWE-Bench verified. These results aren't just numbers, they translate to a smoother, faster, and more productive coding experience. For developers looking for efficiency and flexibility, Warp quickly became a top choice. When it comes to user experience, the differences between Claude Code and Warp are immediately noticeable. Claude Code assumes a certain level of command line expertise, requiring users to type commands like divided by help or divided by config just to get started. In contrast, Warp welcomes users with a clean interface and 4 broad categories: install, code, deploy, and more, making it easy to jump right in. This intuitive design means you can start working with just a few clicks, streamlining the process and reducing the learning curve for new users. With Warp, almost every developer task falls neatly into one of its main categories. This structure allows users to navigate and select their workflow effortlessly. Instead of memorizing commands or searching through documentation, you can simply click your way to the right tool. This approach not only saves time but also makes the coding process feel more approachable and enjoyable, especially for those who prefer a visual workflow over a purely command-driven one. One of the biggest differences lies in how each tool handles commands. Claude Code keeps you in a fully agentic mode, interpreting every input as a prompt for the AI agent. This can be limiting for seasoned developers who rely on classic shell commands like clear or lsal. Warp, on the other hand, introduces an auto mode. With a simple toggle, you can switch between AI prompts and traditional shell commands, making the experience much more flexible and natural for everyday coding habits. For developers with years of terminal experience, being able to use familiar shell commands is essential. Claude Code often misinterprets these as prompts, leading to confusion and inefficiency. Warp solves this by seamlessly accepting both shell commands and AI prompts, allowing you to switch contexts without breaking your workflow. This small but crucial difference makes Warp feel more like a natural extension of your coding habits, rather than a tool you have to adapt to. Both Claude Code and Warp support image input, which is great for debugging and UI development. However, Warp takes it a step further by introducing voice input. With just a click, you can speak your prompt, which is then transcribed and executed. This feature is especially handy when your hands are busy or when you want to quickly describe a problem without typing. It's a small touch that adds significant convenience and accessibility to the development process. Claude Code ties you to the Anthropic ecosystem, offering only Sonnet and Opus models. While these are powerful, the lack of variety can be restrictive. Warp, on the other hand, is provider agnostic. It supports a wide range of models, from OpenAI's GPT to Gemini and even Claude models. You can manually select your preferred model or let Warp choose automatically. This flexibility is a game changer for developers who want to experiment with different AI capabilities or optimize for specific tasks. Warp introduces several productivity features that set it apart. You can open multiple tabs, each running its own agent for different tasks, like coding in one and debugging in another. Warp Drive lets you store and reuse long prompt templates, making repetitive tasks a breeze. Workflow templates allow you to save complex terminal commands or even natural language instructions, so you can quickly execute them without retyping. These features streamline your workflow and help you stay organized. To fairly compare both tools, I started with a simple React project and asked each tool to explain what was going on. Claude Code provided a solid overview, but Warp's response was more detailed, including UI design and a How It Works section. Both tools did well, but Warp's extra detail made it easier to understand the project's structure and flow, especially for newcomers or those picking up someone else's code. Next, I tested both tools with a single prompt to build a full-stack task management app. Both Claude Code and Warp generated functional UIs, but Warp completed the task faster, launching the app on port 3000 before Claude Code could. This speed advantage, combined with a smooth user experience, highlights Warp's efficiency in handling complex, multi-step tasks with minimal input. For bug fixing, I tested how each tool handled integrating a new Python backend for image blurring. Claude Code provided helpful code diffs but didn't allow manual edits to the AI-generated fixes. Warp, however, let me edit the modified files directly, which is invaluable for developers who spot quick improvements. Warp also responded naturally to prompts like start both front-end and back-end servers, making the process seamless and intuitive. When it came to code review, both tools provided useful feedback. Claude Code's review was a list of generic pointers, while Warp's feedback was more contextual, embedding comments directly within code snippets. This approach mirrors the collaborative reviews seen on platforms like GitHub, making it easier to understand and act on suggestions. For developers used to team-based workflows, Warp's review style feels more familiar and actionable. After hands-on testing across project understanding, one-shotting, bug fixing, and code review, Warp consistently delivered a smoother, more flexible, and developer-friendly experience. Its support for multiple models, intuitive UI, and productivity features like Warp Drive and workflow templates make it a standout choice. While Claude Code remains a strong tool, Warp's innovation and attention to real-world developer needs give it the edge. If you're looking to upgrade your terminal workflow, Warp is definitely worth a try. In conclusion, the choice between Claude Code and Warp comes down to your workflow preferences and the features you value most. Warp's flexibility, model variety, and productivity tools make it a compelling upgrade for developers seeking efficiency and ease of use. As the landscape of AI-powered development tools continues to evolve, staying open to new solutions like Warp can help you stay ahead and make your coding journey more enjoyable. Thanks for joining me on this exploration. Happy coding!